I do not desire suffering, yet how fool I am. I desire the cause of suffering. Shantidev, ancient Buddhist monk. Many times in our life, in fact, quite often only, we have to face this situation that although we know that by doing this action, by indulging in this activity, by eating that cookie, by not exercising, by indulging in evil habits, it will give me suffering, it will create problems, it will harm me, but still we are unable to avoid it, leave it. The reason of this is because we like doing it, we love it, we get enjoyment and happiness from it. This is the reason why we indulge in evil habits. For those actions which have negative consequences, for example, you can ask any smoker or alcoholic. He very well knows that what he does makes his body weak, harms his mind, her nervous system, destroys his her wealth, his family. If you ask him, he says, I want to leave it, but is unable to do so. Now, why this happens? This is the situation of every human today. Although we know something is wrong for us, but we still do it. Although we know that something is right for us, but we still do not do it. This is the situation, the inner fight between divine and evil, between good and bad desires. Every human has to face this daily, and most of us lose terribly. This is the reason of suffering of majority of people. It is like that we are being hunted. It is like the way fishes are caught. Once a fish bites on the bait, the hook gets locked in its mouth, and a similar is the situation of every human. Way out of the situation is practice and detachment. This is the ancient way what Lord Krishna taught to Arjun in the most holy book of Hindus in Bhagavad Gita. He says, if you want to control your evil desires, habits, which you know are bad for you, you must do practice, repetition, training, and also detachment. How to practice detachment? You must keep reminding yourself again and again and again and again the negative consequences, the pain, the suffering of doing that action again and again. This is the practice of detachment, which must be done again and again. This is the way to control and eventually kill those evil desires and evil habits whenever they come to your conscious mind. By doing this regularly and daily, evil desires are weakened and slowly controlled. A new neural pathway will be built in your brain. In starting, you will have to put an effort, not just normal half-hearted effort, but huge, humongous effort you have to put. And you must practice this daily. It is a mental practice which can be done any time of the day, sleeping, sitting, walking, whenever you have some time, you must do it. In the second part, we will discuss what practices must be done and how ancient Buddhist monks and Hindu monks control their mind, stop their mind,